Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you deactivate the perspective view option in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a settings symbol. Press on it, and once you are in this page you will be able to find the settings and press on that as well. Once you are done with that, you can see here the navigation category and there the second option, which is perspective view. And if you want to deactivate it, all you have to do is just press on it, and if you want to activate it once again you should just press on it, and you can see that right now is activated. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.